Question number 9 of exercise 6.1 is integration running from 0 to 1 upon under root 1 plus x plus root x dx. Now we know how to do the integration of this, because if this would have been indefinite, then we would have rationalized the denominator. So under root 1 plus x minus root x upon under root 1 plus x minus root x. So this would have been integration 1 plus x minus root x upon 1 plus x minus x. This will get cancelled. You will get integration under root 1 plus x minus integration under root x. This is integration 1 plus x raised to 1 by 2 minus integration x raised to 1 by 2. So this will be integration 1 plus x raised to 1 by 2 dx minus integration x raised to 1 by 2 dx. This will be 1 plus x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. But this is not indefinite. No, this is definite. So I'll write down 2 by 3. 1 plus x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2, and the limits are 0 to 1. So in place of x we'll put 1. It's 2 by 3. 1 plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. 1 raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. 1 plus 0 raised to 2 by 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. 0 raised to 3 by 2. So this is 2 by 3, 2 raised to 3 by 2. I'll take 2 by 3 common, minus 1 raised to 3 by 2. Minus, here also we'll take 2 by 3 common. So this will be 2 by 3. 1 raised to 3 by 2 minus, this will be 0 raised to 3 by 2 is 0. So this, there is no need to write anything like that. I need not write anything. I'll just write down there 0. And this is 2 by 3. Now 2 raised to 3 by 2 is 2 root 2 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 into 1. So if I take 2 by 3 common again, I will get 2 root 2 minus 1 minus 1. It's 2 by 3, 2 root 2 minus 2. If I take 2 common, I will get 4 by 3 root 2 minus 1. You can keep this as it is. Integration is 4 by 3 root 2 minus 1. This is your answer. हम लोग जैसे नॉर्मल इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं वैसे ही किया है, और सिर्फ इंटीग्रेशन निकालने के बाद उसको बिना सी लिखे हम लोग उसे इंटीग्रल्स लिख देते हैं. यू कैन ऑलवेज राइट इट एज I is equals to. Okay. If this is your some integration running from 1 to 2, 3x upon 9x square minus 1 dx, तो ये अगर इंडेफिनाइट होता तो इसे हम लोग ऐसे लिखते हैं. ये 3 बाहर x upon 9x square minus 1 dx. क्योंकि ये x है और नीचे x स्क्वायर है तो x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव x आ जाता है. So we can say 9x square minus 1 is dt. 18x is equals to dt by dx. X dx is dt by 18. So we can write down this as 3. X dx is dt by 18 upon t. 3 by 18 integration 1 by t dt. 3 by 18 log t. Now the integration running from 1 to 2, 3x upon 9x square minus 1 dx. ये 1 to 2 है, 1 to 3 नहीं. Is 1 by 6 log of 9x square minus 1 from 1 to 2. Now we'll put first 2. So 1 by 6 log of 2 square minus 1 minus 1 by 6 log of 1 square minus 1. 1 by 6 common log of 9 into 2 square, that is 9 into 4, 36, 36 minus 1, 35, minus log of 9 minus 1, 8. This will be 1 by 6 log of, this is log 35 minus log 8, so I can write it as log of 35 by 8. We are using a formula here that log a minus log b is equals to log of a by b. Question number 10. The last question is question number 11. And this is integration running from 1 to 3. Log x. अब हमको पता है कि इंटीग्रेशन log x dx is treated as integration log x into 1 dx. क्योंकि सिर्फ log x का कोई इंटीग्रेशन नहीं है, हम लोगों ने बाय पार्ट्स में देखा log x into 1 ही उसे हम लोग करते हैं. तो लिएट रूल के हिसाब से LAE के हिसाब से लोगैरिथमिक को u माना जाएगा, तो दिस विल बी log x इंटीग्रेशन 1 dx माइनस इंटीग्रेशन d dx of log x integration 1 dx into dx log x into x minus integration 1 by x dx. This is cancelled. This will be x log x minus integration 1 dx. This is x log x minus x प्लस सी, क्योंकि ये इंडेफिनाइट होगा तो प्लस सी होगा. तो हम लोग बोलेंगे इंटीग्रेशन रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 to 3 log x dx is equals to, ये आता है x into bracket log x minus 1, x into bracket log x minus 1 running from 1 to 3. This is 3 this is log 3 minus 1 minus 1. This is log 1 minus 1. This is 3 log 3 minus 1 minus log 1. Log 1 is 0. This log 1 is actually 0. So minus 1 will become plus 2. We can write it as 3 log 3 minus 3 plus 2. कुछ यहाँ पे गड़बड़ हो रहा है. Suppose x log a minus x plus 1 . So we will write down x log x. So 3 log 3 minus 1 minus 1 log 1 minus 1. Log 1 is 0, minus 1 is plus 1 here. Sorry, it was a mistake, it is plus 1 here. So here it is also plus 1. This will be log 3 raised to 3 minus 2. This is nothing but log 27 minus 2. This is your answer. Even if you keep it as it is, it's okay. लेकिन इसके आगे का बहुत ही आसान है ये. M log A is nothing but log of A raised to M. So 3 log 3 is log of 3 raised to 3. So that is log 27. टेक्स्ट बुक में आंसर log 27 minus 4 आता है, लेकिन ये आंसर नहीं आता. ये log 27 minus 2 ही आता है. डेफिनाइट इंटीग्रल्स की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज है. ये प्रॉपर्टीज डेफिनाइट को है, इनडेफिनाइट को कभी नहीं है. क्योंकि डेफिनाइट में हमारे पास कोई फंक्शन नहीं आता, डायरेक्टली एक वैल्यू आती है, एक कांस्टेंट वैल्यू आती है. तो फर्स्ट इज इंटीग्रेशन रनिंग फ्रॉम a to a f of x dx is 0. सेकेंड इंटीग्रेशन रनिंग फ्रॉम a to b f of x dx is minus b to a. तो ये बदल गए इधर, b to a to b का b to a हो गया. Here integration running from a to b f of x dx has become integration running from a to b f of t dt. Next integration running from a to b f of x dx. देखो यहाँ पे x की जगह पे t आ गया, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा क्योंकि वैल्यू सेम है. क्योंकि डेफिनाइट में आपके पास सिर्फ वैल्यू आती है, कोई फंक्शन नहीं आता. तो x हो या t हो, वैल्यू तो आ ही जाएगी. Now next one is if the integration is running from a to b, then it is a to c f of x plus c to b f of x. Here c is between a and b. This is very important. अगर c कोई और नंबर है तो ये प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड नहीं करेगी. Next one, integration running from a to b f of x dx is integration running from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Integration running from 0 to a f of x dx and integration running from 0 to a f of a minus x. Next, integration running from 0 to 2a f of x dx is 0 to a f of x plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x. ये तब यूज करनी है जब ये इस तरह के वैल्यूज आएंगे या जरूरत पड़ेगी. तो ये 0 to a होगा तो हम लोग हमेशा ये यूज कर सकते हैं. 0 to 2a होगा और जरूरत पड़ेगी तो ये इसको हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं अगर कुछ कट हो रहा है तो. लास्ट, अगर इंटीग्रेशन रनिंग फ्रॉम माइनस a to a है f of x dx, then we can write it as 2 integration running from 0 to a f of x if f of x is an even function, or otherwise it is 0 if f of x is an odd function. Now what do you mean by even and odd? If f of minus x is equals to f of x, then it is an even function. For example, if f of x is equals to x square, so what is f of minus x? It is minus x square. That is x square. So f of minus x is x square, that is f of x. So this will become an even function. F of minus x is equals to minus f of x जब होता है तो वो ऑड फंक्शन बन जाता है. तो f of x x क्यूब है, f of minus x है minus x क्यूब, that is minus x क्यूब. तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस एफ ऑफ एक्स. तो ये ऑड फंक्शन हो जाता है. तो अगर वो फंक्शन इवन है तो ये होगा, ऑड है तो ये होगा. These are very important properties and depending upon आपको सम कैसे दिया है उस हिसाब से हम लोग इनको यूज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्सरसाइज 6.2 का फर्स्ट सम देखिए. इंटीग्रेशन -9 to 9 x cube अपॉन 4 minus x square dx. ये आपका सम है. तो आप -9 to 9, तो हम लोग कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे? -a to a, तो यही वाली है 8th वाली। तो इसमें अगर फंक्शन इवन होगा तो अलग है और ऑड होगा तो अलग है। तो हम लोग पहले देखेंगे कि ये फंक्शन इवन है क्या ऑड है। तो f of x is x cube upon 4 minus x square. I will find out f of minus x. That will be minus x cube upon 4 minus x bracket square. That is minus x cube upon 4 minus x square. This is minus f of x. So f of minus x is minus f of x, and therefore, if this is the case, if f of minus x is minus f of x, then the function is odd. The function is odd because f of minus x is minus f of x. So integration running from -9 to 9, x cube upon 4 minus x square dx is equals to 0. This is your answer. अगर ये इवन होता तो हम लोग उसको इवन की तरह सॉल्व करते हैं। तो इस तरह से हम लोग प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करेंगे। अब जैसे इंटीग्रेशन दिया होगा वैसे प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करेंगे। अगर इंटीग्रेशन 0 to a है तो वी कैन यूज 6th प्रॉपर्टी 0 to a वाली। अगर a to b है तो हम लोग 5th यूज कर सकते हैं। अगर हमको जरूरत पड़े तो ये वाली यूज कर सकते हैं। तो ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपको क्या जरूरत है, सम में क्या प्रूव करना है या कैसे सॉल्व करना है, उसके ऊपर ये सब डिपेंड करेगा। So 6.2 question number 2 is integration running from 0 to a x square a minus x raised to 3 by 2 dx। अब 0 to a का बस एक ही प्रॉपर्टी है, इंटीग्रेशन प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 6, इंटीग्रेशन रनिंग फ्रॉम 0 to a f of x dx is equals to integration running from 0 to a f of a minus x dx। तो ये हो जाएगा इंटीग्रेशन रनिंग फ्रॉम 0 to a x square a minus x raised to 3 by 2। We can write it as integration running from 0 to a, x की जगह पे हम लोग a minus x लिखेंगे, तो a minus x bracket square into a minus x की जगह पे वापस a minus x आ जाएगा raised to 3 by 2 dx। So this will be integration 0 to a minus x square, this will be a will get cancel, x raised to 3 by 2 dx। Now अगर मैंने इसको एक्सपांड करने की कोशिश की होती तो a minus x raised to 3 by 2 इसको हम लोग कभी एक्सपांड नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन a minus x ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर को हम लोग हमेशा ही एक्सपांड कर सकते हैं। तो इंटीग्रेशन रनिंग फ्रॉम 0 to a, it is a square minus 2ax plus x square into x raised to 3 by 2 dx। This will be integration running from 0 to a square into x raised to 3 by 2 is a square x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2ax, ये 2ax into x raised to 3 by 2 plus x square into x raised to 3 by 2 dx। The integration running from 0 to a square x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2ax, x into x raised to 3 by 2 is x raised to 1 plus 3 by 2, that is x raised to 5 by 2. So we will write down here, this is x raised to 5 by 2 plus x square into x raised to 3 by 2. So x raised to 2 plus 3 by 2, that is x raised to 4 plus 3, 7 by 2. This is a square x raised to 3 by 2 dx minus, now see what we can do is we can take this constant outside. So ये a square इधर आ जाएगा. 2a integration x raised to 5 by 2 dx plus integration, this is 0 to a x raised to 7 by 2 dx. Now this is a square x raised to 3 by 2. This will become x raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2. Zero to a minus 2a x raised to 5 by 2 will be x raised to 7 minus 2a x raised to 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2. 0 to a, and this will be plus x raised to 9 by 2 upon 9 by 2. 0 to a. Now we can simply do this. This will be 2a square upon 5. This is x च्या जागी a लिहिलं तर a raised to 5 by 2. And if I put 0, this whole thing will become 0. So I will not put it. Minus 2a, this is 2, 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Because this 2 will come there. This is a raised to 7 by 2 plus a raised to 9 by 2, and this is 2 by 9. So this is 2 by 5 a raised to 9 by 2 minus 4 by 7 a raised to 9 by 2 plus 2 by 9 a raised to 9 by 2. So we can take a raised to 9 by 2 common. And this is 2 by 5 minus 4 by 7 plus 2 by 9. Equalizing the denominator, we will get a raised to 9 by 2 whole thing. 3 into 5 is 35. 35 into 9 is 315. So this is 315. This will be 126 minus 180 plus 70. Equalizing the denominator. Here we'll multiply by 63. Here we will multiply by 54. And here we'll multiply by 35. So your answer is a raised to 9 by 2 into 16 upon 315. This is your answer. अभी प्रॉपर्टीज 8 दे दी है, लेकिन सारी की सारी हमेशा यूज नहीं होती. जनरली यूज होती है प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 5, 6, 7, 8. जैसे प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 5, 6 का और एक यूज है जो हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में देख सकते हैं. इट इज इंटीग्रेशन 1 to 3 cube root of x plus 5 upon cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x. Now this is integration 1 to 3, a to b. Okay, we have property number 6. We have property integration a to b f of x dx is equal to, अब property 6 की यूज कर रही हूं मैं क्योंकि ये दोनों भी मैं कहीं पे भी जीरो नहीं है. This will be integration 0 a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So we can use this property here. So it will be integration running from 1 to 3 cube root of x plus 5 upon cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x. Using this property, I can write as integration 1 to 3 a plus b. So this will be a plus b is 4. X is a plus b. So in place of a plus b, I can write 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 in place of x, we will write down this. So I will write 4 minus x. 4 minus x plus pi. Whole thing upon क्यूब रूट 4 माइनस एक्स. एक्स की जगह पे 4 माइनस एक्स डाल देंगे. 4 कहां से आया? 3 प्लस 1 प्लस पाई प्लस क्यूब रूट ऑफ 9 माइनस 4 माइनस एक्स dx. इंटीग्रेशन 1 to 3 क्यूब रूट ऑफ 9 माइनस एक्स अपॉन क्यूब रूट ऑफ 9 minus x plus cube root of x plus 5. Now this is my integration. This is also my integration. I'll just add these two integration. This is 1. This is 2. I will add them. So I will get 2i is equals to integration. अब देखो ये इसको हम लोगों ने अगर कन्वर्ट किया तो ये वैसे भी 1 2 3 आया है. तो ये आएगा इधर 1 2 3 1 2 3 cube root of this is x plus 5 and here is 9 minus x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x upon cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x dx. This will get cancelled. It is 2i integration 1 to 3 1 dx is equals to integration of 1 is x 1 to 3 2i. So 2i is 3 minus 1. 2i is 2. So I is equals to 1. So what is the what was I? Original I was this. So integration running from 1 to 3 cube root of x plus 5 upon cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x dx is equals to 1. This is the answer.